After the age of 50, the body begins to process nutrients and toxins differently. Metabolism gradually slows. Fat metabolism can become less efficient, and long-term dietary habits start to place greater stress on the liver. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. It performs more than 500 essential functions, including filtering toxins from the bloodstream, regulating blood sugar levels, breaking down fats, and producing bile that helps digest food. Inside the liver are millions of specialized cells called hepatocytes. These cells work continuously to detoxify harmful substances, process nutrients, and maintain metabolic balance. However, years of processed foods, excess sugar, alcohol, and unhealthy fats can gradually damage these liver cells. The good news is that the liver has an extraordinary ability to regenerate and repair itself when metabolic stress is reduced. Certain foods contain antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that may help protect liver cells and support their repair processes. In this article, we will explore 6 foods that may help support liver cell health naturally after the age of 50. 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural foods for supporting liver health. It contains sulfur compounds such as allicin and selenium, which help activate liver detoxification enzymes. These compounds assist the liver in breaking down toxins and removing harmful substances from the body. Garlic also has strong antioxidant properties that help reduce oxidative stress, one of the major contributors to liver cell damage. Another advantage of garlic is that it can enhance flavor in meals without adding sodium or unhealthy fats. Reducing excess salt and processed seasonings can significantly reduce liver stress over time. Regularly adding fresh garlic to meals may help support the liver's natural detoxification process. 2. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and important antioxidants such as vitamin E and glutathione-supporting compounds. Glutathione is often referred to as the body's master antioxidant. It plays a critical role in liver detoxification by helping neutralize toxins and protect liver cells from damage. Avocados also support healthy cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation in the body. Since fatty liver disease is often linked to metabolic imbalance and inflammation, foods that support healthy fat metabolism can help reduce liver stress. Including moderate amounts of avocado in the diet may support liver cell protection and overall metabolic health. 3. Berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, known as anthocyanins. These plant compounds give berries their deep colors and powerful protective properties. Anthocyanins help reduce inflammation and oxidative damage in the body. Studies suggest these compounds may help protect liver cells from damage caused by toxins and metabolic stress. Berries also contain fiber, which supports healthy digestion and stable blood sugar levels. Maintaining balanced blood sugar is important because excess sugar is converted into fat in the liver, contributing to fatty liver disease. Adding a small serving of berries regularly can help provide antioxidant support for liver health. 4. Spinach. Spinach is a nutrient-dense leafy green that contains vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support metabolic health. It is rich in vitamin C, folate, and antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Spinach also contains nitrates that may help improve blood circulation and support cardiovascular health. Healthy blood flow is important for liver function because the liver relies on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients to perform its detoxification processes. Leafy greens like spinach are also low in calories and high in fiber, making them beneficial for weight management and metabolic balance. 5. Eggs. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential amino acids that support tissue repair throughout the body, including the liver. One important nutrient found in eggs is choline. Choline plays a key role in fat metabolism and helps transport fat out of the liver. A deficiency in choline has been linked to fatty liver accumulation. Eggs also contain selenium and vitamin B12, which support cellular health and metabolic function. Consuming moderate amounts of eggs can help support liver cell repair and maintain balanced nutrient intake. 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable known for its powerful detoxification-supporting compounds. It contains sulforaphane, a natural plant compound that activates enzymes responsible for detoxification in the liver. These enzymes help the body break down toxins and harmful chemicals. Broccoli also provides fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants that support immune function and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables like broccoli may help support the liver's natural detox pathways and protect liver cells from damage. Why diet matters for liver health after 50. Many cases of liver stress develop slowly over years due to dietary habits. Diets high in refined sugar, ultra-processed foods, alcohol, and unhealthy fats can gradually lead to fatty liver disease and chronic inflammation. Replacing processed foods with nutrient-rich whole foods can significantly reduce metabolic stress on the liver. Foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, fiber, and essential nutrients help support the liver's natural repair mechanisms. Even small improvements in daily food choices can have long-term benefits for liver health. Important safety note: individuals with diagnosed liver disease, elevated liver enzymes, or other medical conditions should consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. Nutritional needs can vary depending on overall health and liver function status. The liver has a remarkable ability to regenerate and repair itself when given the proper nutritional support. While no single food can instantly repair liver damage, certain nutrient-rich foods may help protect liver cells and support natural recovery processes. Garlic, avocado, berries, spinach, eggs, and broccoli provide antioxidants, vitamins, and natural compounds that help reduce inflammation and support liver detoxification. When combined with balanced nutrition, proper hydration, regular physical activity, and reduced intake of processed foods, these simple dietary choices can help support long-term liver health after the age of 50. Small, consistent changes often lead to the greatest improvements over time.